In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView with Binance for real-time trading. If you're looking to combine the powerful charting capabilities of TradingView with the vast trading options available on Binance, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you set up for a seamless trading experience. First, you'll want to navigate to your TradingView chart. If you haven't already, open your browser and head over to TradingView's website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're new to TradingView, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, locate the chart section. This is where you'll be spending most of your time analyzing market trends and making trading decisions. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your chart. You'll see a button labeled Trade. This is your gateway to connecting TradingView with your trading platform. Go ahead and click on that. It's designed to make your trading experience smoother by providing direct access to trading functions from within your chart view. After clicking on Trade, you might notice a menu or a list appearing. Don't let this overwhelm you. What you need to do now is scroll down the list. As you scroll, you'll see various trading platforms you can connect with. This is where TradingView truly shines, offering you connectivity with a range of brokers and exchanges. As you continue scrolling, you'll come across Binance. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally, known for its extensive range of coins and trading pairs. When you find Binance on the list, click on it. This action will initiate the process of linking your TradingView chart to your Binance account. Once you've clicked on Binance, you'll see an option to Connect. This is an essential step because it allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView using your Binance account. Click on Connect and you'll be prompted to log in to your Binance account. Make sure you have your Binance credentials handy. If everything is set up correctly, your TradingView and Binance accounts will be connected, enabling you to trade in real time with the latest market data at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully connected TradingView with Binance, opening up a world of possibilities for your trading strategy. By leveraging TradingView's comprehensive charting tools alongside Binance's robust trading platform, you can make more informed trading decisions and potentially enhance your trading outcomes. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your trading experience. Happy trading!